great way that you could get your kids reading at home is through sound manipulation. Now, you can play with sounds without any books in front of you at all. Sound manipulation is actually 80% of early reading. And another word for it is phonemic awareness, meaning being able to hear sounds and move sounds around. For example, we take the word cat, and if we moved a couple of sounds around and changed it a little bit, we could replace the C with the B, the K with the B, and turn the word into that. So I'm gonna show you a game to do just that with your kids. So the first thing you wanna do is break apart the sounds in cat. You could do that 3 ways. You could do it with your fingers, at. With younger kids, this can be hard. So you could do it with your shoulder, at. Or you could do it with your whole body, and this is my favorite way to do it. At. Cat. So once you take all the sounds in cat, at, cat, now say, okay, now replace the with a b. What's that new word? B. At. Bat, like a baseball bat. So you could do that with any kind of words that you'd like. And the great thing about this is that you could play it in the car, you could play it while you're sitting around for dinner. You could just say, okay, let's see the word table. We're sitting around our table. Sound out the words, sound out the sounds in table. A, b, o, t, a, b, o. What if I took away the t, t, t? What's the new word if I took away the t from table? If you take away the t, it's able, and that's a brand new word. So play with sounds with your kids, let them add sounds in or take away sounds or fix a sound and put in a new one, and see how that goes, because the ability to manipulate sounds is one of the first steps of early reading, and it's one of the most important ones.